Hello, Justin with Lucky8 Off-Road, and today I got a cool one for you, LR3, LR4 guys, or as the rest of the world calls it, Disco 3, Disco 4. We have our new cargo area LED light, and you're gonna say, yeah, I want more light back there, but does it change color? Yes, it does. Cue the intro, and I'll show you how to install it. All right, first thing we want to do is pop this panel down. A little trim tool in there. It's held in with a couple of these little plasticky clips. If one gets stuck, like this one, I'll bring the camera in and show you. We're gonna pop that off and put it in place. With the trim loose, let's unplug the light. There's a tiny little clip in here. You can maybe do it up in the air if you're better than me. So in that case, you're definitely gonna be able to do it. And there we go, I was able to get it. All right, I'll bring the camera in. I'll show you this clip that got left over. We'll take a good look at this piece so you know what you're looking for, and we'll move to the next one. Next up is the little clip that snaps into the light. Upon further review, there is no place to push on it. That's why I always struggle. Just give it a good yank from the plastic, not the wire, and it'll pop it. Okay, I want to put my light back together. I have to put the bulb in first. Does not want to play nice with me. Like so. And one of these clips that we popped is got to go back in place. The issue is, oh, it goes like this, sorry. The issue is if you leave that in and you try to jam this up, there's no way that clip's going through, so make sure you get all of them out before you go to reinstall. Now we can move on to the light. It's got a little jumper right here. This one, you sit still, goes to the power supply. And the one that looks like this one goes to the light. So pop that free, plug it in, bingo. All right. Okay, I'm going to clip everything back up and I'll show you how it all sits in place. All right, now that I'm in a better spot, I'll show you how it goes. Let's take a look right here, these dowels. We want to align them to the holes. If you put the clips in first, then the dowels don't line up. And this light is sitting on the plastic like that. There's two little clips. So we're gonna align the dowel. Just one. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna fix the rubber trim. I'll bring the camera in this way and we'll have a good look at it. With everything in place, make sure you get your rubber seal back where it goes. All the trim clips should be right where they need to be. Let's take a look. There's the light. You can change the color, just touch it. There's white, off, yellow, and red again. There you have it, super easy install. And on that, guys, see you in the next one.